Some kindness works best when it arrives quietly. No spotlight, just a message that says you matter. Hello, my name is Patrick, and I work with helpers, the people who show up for others, those who organize, those who listen, and those who walk alongside other people to help them solve problems. Now, the Helper Gratitude Project started with a simple idea with a very serious purpose. We wanted to reduce burnout in the helping profession by using recognition in a practical way. An honest message that says you are seen and you are appreciated. We built it with partners. We asked what words feel true on hard days. We tested short lines, those that were warm and supportive. And from those conversations, we developed a set of messages that real helpers told us actually help. This is the heart of the project: recognition as care, brief return for people who spend themselves on others. This is how it begins. An anonymous request comes in from someone who wants to thank a helper. The sender selects a message from our partner crafted set and provides the helper's name, mailing address, and they submit the request anonymously. I choose the postcard from our stock that matches the selected message. I add a small card explaining what this postcard is about. Why is it arriving? I seal it with gratitude. No, literally, with gratitude, wishing them well while working the adhesive down on the envelope. I place the mailing address exactly as provided. I add a stamp and a return label just to make sure there's safe delivery. You may be wondering, why this much attention on a postcard? It's because recognition supports well-being. Gratitude can lift your mood, build resilience, and even strengthen connections. It can soften the edges of burnout, and it helps the helper know that their work that they carry every day is seen. It is seen and appreciated. That reminder matters for helpers. The flow of appreciation may not reach them that often, and a small card can interrupt that pattern, even for a moment. Now it's time to send it. I take the card and I step out. On the walk, I think about two people: the helper, who will open the mailbox and find this message, and the sender, who took notice of the good and named it out loud. Gratitude lifts both, and I'm honored to steward these moments. At the mailbox, I pause again. This is the center of the project. There's no spotlight, there's no signature, just a steady stream of thank yous moving through the mail. And as the card goes in and the door closes, I see the whole arc. A person selected a message from a set that we built with our partners. We have them printed. We stamp it, we send it, and a helper receives a quiet note that says, "Your work matters." If you want to be a part of this, the steps are pretty simple. Visit our website, mezzosolutions.com, and head into the Helpers Field Guide. Choose a message from the thoughtful options developed by us and our partners. Share the helper's name and mailing address. We'll print it, we'll stamp it, and we'll send it. Another highlight is there's no cost to participate. If a helper has held a door open for you in your life, consider sending a card today. It takes less than a minute to send your request, but the feeling of gratitude is sure to last longer. Gratitude can be small, and it travels well. It can cross a city, a state, or even a nation and land in a mailbox, and stay with someone longer than you might expect. So thank you to the helpers, and thank you for taking a moment to notice them.